What's wrong with her balloon?
There's a stick on her balloon.
Oh.
Can you come with me, Scout? Can you come with me?
Come on, Scout Girl. Let's go over here.
Come with me.
Come on, Scooby.
Come with me.
Good boy, Scoobs.
Does Scout want to come? Scout! You gotta come with us.
Come here, Scout Girl.
Come here.
Yeah, come here.
That's gonna be really fun.
Good girl, Scout. Come on. Come here. Here, Scout. Come here. Scout.
Come here.
Good girl. Good girl, Scout.
What's the yellow one? Is that yours?
That's mine.
This is my blue one. Mommy, do you want to hold for the hike? You need this balloon. You need this balloon, then, Mommy. Can you get this balloon?
Yeah, I'll get it in a second. Can you teach Milena how to talk?
Dada.
Tell her.
Dada.
Tell her. Show her with your mouth.
Dada.
What else does she need to learn? Hmm?
I can put on this. Can you reach my balloon? Can you reach it? Oh, you can't reach it. You can't reach my balloon. Ah. Well, can you stay down here for a second? But can you reach it? Can't reach it. Get it. Oh. You gotta pull it. You gotta pull it. Look, this one.
Would you like me to help you?
Yeah. You want to go hiking? I want to go hiking with you and my home.
Hiking in the house?
Yeah, hiking in the house.
How do you do that?